Hey folks, in this video I'll be teaching you how to gain your financial freedom. So without wasting much of our time, let's jump right into the video. Let's go to Google right now. Let's go to Google search. Let's go to Google search and type what is forex trading. Guys, this is one of the most recommended skill set I will want you to learn. This is one of the most of my recommendables I always recommend to my folks. I will never advise you of anything different exception of this. If you want to gain your financial freedom, if you want to disgrace poverty, I mean disgraced. If you want to disgrace poverty, learn forex trading. If you really want to be a big boy of your own, a big girl of your own, learn the financial market. Learn how to trade the financial market. This is one of the best, the highest niche I will want you to attach yourself in. Learning this skill will pay you forever. Learning this skill, knowing this skill, professionalize this skill, it will make you be a big boy, a big girl of your own. You have freedom of work. You work wherever you are, you work wherever you go. You have freedom of movement. You can go anywhere and make money. Forex trading, forex trading, forex trading, guys. If you can do this for me, do this for yourself. You will see how your future is going to look like. By the time you start learning this skill, you discover yourself, your future is already becoming bright. Guys, forex trading. Now, what is forex trading? According to Google search here, forex trading, also known as foreign exchanges, that's FS in bracket, trading is the art of buying and selling currencies in an attempt to profit from the exchanges in their relative values. Guys, guys, please. Looking at our economy today in the country is very poor. I don't know for those of us who are still relying on the salaries and maybe you work at the end of the day you get paid. I don't know how you're going to cope, how you're going to do it. Whoever that depends on a salary will always remain poor. Salary can never make you rich except you try to get yourself something that will be paying you daily in this life. I bet you not only the economy of Nigeria is poor, but traveling out to other countries, you will discover that the problems they are facing there is more than problem we are seeing. I know some of you don't really know what is going on. You that is here in Nigeria, you'll be saying nothing is happening in America, everything is working fine for them. Folks, it's a lie. Those Americans, some of them actually craving to be in Nigeria. But you see to sound funny. You said how would an American, a bright American, crave to be in Nigeria? Folks, we have a lot of resources in these countries that are wasting. So for us not to be like people that you've been seeing, like those people that have been useless, because I call people useless when you have yourself, you have everything to catapult yourself to a certain level, and you're not doing anything. Folks, forex trading is one of the number one thing I would recommend you to learn as a skill set. Forex trading. Forex trading. Oh, I love this course. I love this course. I love this very program. Folks, be a student of the market. Don't worry, I'll be going into that. I will drop a video about that. For those of you that would love to learn forex from me, that would love to learn forex, I don't say that you must learn from me, but if you want to learn from me, you can hit the link below the comment section. My Twitter handle will be dropped there. My Instagram handle will be dropped there. My um, Facebook page, my what again? Uh, my WhatsApp number and my Telegram page will be dropped there. All the links will be available below the comment section. Guys, please don't hesitate to miss this one. Don't hesitate to miss this one, folks. Now, another niche I would love you to go for is cryptocurrency investment. Please engage yourself in these two things, these two niches I'm showing you guys. By the time you get yourself embraced with these two niche, you will so much thank me later. I don't need anything from you. All I want from you is to support this channel by liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing this video so that some other people will see what is going on in this channel. Folks, this is not a hyping tricks. This is not this is not a hyping tricks at all. This is serious. When I see a young person growing without learning a skill, I always feel like, oh, what is going on? What's this person thinking all about? Learning is skill. I will not recommend you to go learn something different. I will be so alert if I will have people that will come and say, yes, sir, I am ready to learn the skill. Because there is no niche that will pay you more than what I know about this course. No niche. No niche. No niche. You can go learn other dropshipping and the host of other things, freelancing, blah 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 blah. All those things are waste of time. Just sit down, relax yourself, and study the forest market. Study the forest market. Study the forest market. You are not studying the forest market to start making money, but you're studying the forest market to understand it, to know how it moves, to know how it works. So that by the time you invest in some capitals, you know how to carry out your business or investment. Please, I bet you forex is not a gamble. It's not forex is not gambling. Forex is not sport. It's not bet night as some people may say it. It is not. Forex is a business. When you involve yourself in forex trading, make it to be a business of your own. Make it as a business, please. Folks, if you can do this for me, if you can do this for me, the same message will be related from you to people tomorrow. Please, for those of you that will be interested in learning forex, hit the link below the comment section. Please like, share this video, and comment so that whenever we drop a new video like this, you will be notified. Please subscribe to our channel. This is the only channel we teach people how to be financially free, how to trade the financial market, to know the coins you to invest in. We guide you in pari passu in any corner of the areas you need to know. Please, whichever thing you want me to make a video on, you can drop it on the comment section. Drop it on the comment section. I'm active, folks. I'm ready to liberate you guys from all poverty constraints, from all financial constraints. Because this thing, poverty, I hate it. I don't like it. I want to erase it from some of us. I want to erase it. If I can erase it from 1,000 to 10,000 people, I will be so alert of myself. Thank you, folks. Catch you guys in the next video.